Here at Woodford City-run Wildlife Refuge, we care about our birds. So, this is our water, and it's going to represent how oil clogs up bird feathers. And this is our water, and this is black paint. It's going to represent oil. So, dump it in. So, as you can see, it clogs up the water, and then you dump it in. Look how it messes it up. See? Sorry, feathers. And that is how oil messes up bird feathers.
Underground electricity. As you see, the bird flies into the wire and gets really injured.
This farmer is dumping DDT all over his plants. What if it gets into the stream? That's the eagle's food supply. I hope she doesn't eat any of the bad fish.
Ooh, fish.
Oh no! Now the eagle has been infected with all of the DDT. It'll ruin her eggs. They'll all break. Oh no! Poor little babies, the eggs, they broke.
Aww.
The DDT made their shells too thin and they were destroyed. What's going to happen to the next generation of eagles? Stop using these poisonous pesticides. They're hurting the environment.
My mama's garden.
Birds poop on my mama. Isn't that good luck? Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it is
Has
good luck.
to poop on your shoulder like my cousin.
How is it good luck?
I
Walter pooped on my teacher once.
And that is why you don't want to get
I got my